What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw Admiral Ackbar from Star Wars. We're going to begin today's lesson along the side of our page and draw two large circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left, starting from the very top, go all the way around towards the bottom of the eye, and then back up towards the top. Now we want to leave a large gap in the center of the head and draw that same size circle on the right. So we start by lining up the top, bring that down towards the same height, and then back up. Now I want to push the pupils towards the inside. So let's start from the top of the eye on the left. We're going to curve this around like a circle and then bend that in. Let's do the same thing on the right. Starting from the very top of this curve, come around and then in. Let's fill the inside of the pupils in black. Now from here we're going to add those thick folds around the eyes. Let's start from the very top on the left, step up, go out wider along the outside, come down, and then bend that in. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Starting from the very top, going out wider along the side, and then pull that in. Let's add a couple folds. On the top left, step over, and bend this up, in, and then down. And I want to do the same thing across the bottom. So let's step over toward the left, goes down, and then up toward the inside. Let's add those tentacles coming down the side. Starting up here, bend this out, and then down toward the bottom with a curve. And then bend this out, and then tuck that up underneath the eye. Now I'm going to go in between and draw the top edge of the mouth. So we're going to start on the left, bend this in and up, round at the center, come down, and then flatten that out. Let's draw the bottom lip. Starting from the left, curve this across, and we'll fill the center of the mouth in black. Now let's move up. In between the eyes, we're going to draw two ovals in an angle for the nostrils. So come down from the left and back up. Let's take that and flip it over on the right. And we'll fill the inside of the nostrils in black. Let's add that hump above the nose, starting right in the center with a point. Curve this up toward the left, and then bend that down. Now let's work our way across the top of the head. On top of the left brow, we're going to step over, bend this up, and then curve that in. Let's do the exact same thing on the right, going up toward the same height. Now we're going to tuck the top of the head in behind. So on the left, step over, going up, round at the head, and then come down. Let's add some spots across the top of the head. So we're going to start on the left side and draw a half circle, going out. Let's add a smaller circle on the inside. I'm just going to work our way across towards the right. Just adding these random sized circles. And I'm going to add one more tucked along the side of the head. Now let's go back down. We're going to add a thick ridge along the lip. Starting on the left, we're going to cut this up in the middle, go across, and then out. Let's step down, add a short curve across the lower lip. Let's go back up underneath the eyes. We're going to add a fold. We're going to come down, in behind, continue up along the inside. Let's add another fold. Starting on the outside, we're going to curve this down underneath that point, and then curve that up. Let's add another one. Stepping down, curve this around, and then up. And we'll close out the center with a curve in between. Now with the head complete, let's draw in the collar. We're going to start on the left, curve this down, and then up towards the right. And we want to fill the inside of the collar in black. Let's add that thick edge around the collar. So we're going to step out, goes around, and then bend that in. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Now let's go underneath the collar. We're going to curve the body, going out and then down toward the bottom of the tunic. And let's close out the bottom with a curve. Now we want to move up and draw another curve to the bottom edge of the belt. Step up and draw that again. Now let's separate the belt with one line down the center and then one more coming down an angle on either side. Now on the top right side, we're going to draw a small rectangle for the badge. From here, we're going to tuck the legs in underneath the tunic, leaving a gap in the center. Let's start on the left. We're going to bend the leg going out and then down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and then down towards the right heel. And it'll curve the bottom of the feet. Let's start with the left side. Going down and up. Do the exact same thing on the right. And it'll round out the top of the foot. Starting on the left, we're going to go up. Let's bend this down, aiming towards the heel. And it'll curl the edge of the pant coming in towards the inside of the leg. Let's go to the bottom corner of the tunic, step in, and bend the leg, going out and then down on top of the feet. And then we're going to add a thick sole across the bottom. We want to take this curve, step up, and trace that across on both sides. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw in the arms. Let's start halfway between the bottom of the collar and the bottom of the belt. So we start right here. Bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. From the wrist, we're going to point the thumbs coming down. So come down, round out the thumb, and then bend that back up. And then on either side, we're going to add two large fingers. Let's start with the first one. From the thumb, bend this out and then down. Let's round out the finger, and then bend that up and then in. Let's layer one more finger along the outside. So we're going to step up, curve this out. I'm going to blend this into the arm, going up and then in towards the side of the collar. And we'll finish off by separating the sleeve just up above the thumb at a curve. A little sign of art and then a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how you draw Admiral Ackbar from Star Wars. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. If you enjoyed today's lesson, then you're really going to love what's happening inside the Sketch Club on Skool. And right now, you can access all our courses and workshops for free for 7 full days just by visiting. I'll leave the link for you down in the description below, and I look forward to seeing you inside the club.